Welcome. If you've been feeling like your Pinterest home feed isn't quite reflecting your current interests, don't worry. Resetting it is easier than you might think. Today, I'll guide you through the updated steps to refresh your Pinterest home feed interests so you can enjoy content that truly inspires you. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your personalized settings. Next, head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where you manage all your Pinterest preferences. Once you're on your profile page, tap on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will open up more options related to your account and feed customization. Now, look for the option called Home Feed Tuner and tap on it. This tool is designed specifically to help you control what appears in your home feed by managing your interests. Inside the Home Feed Tuner, tap on Interests. Here, you'll see a list of all the topics Pinterest thinks you like based on your activity. To reset your home feed interests, simply unfollow all the unwanted interests by tapping the check marks next to them. This will remove those topics from influencing your feed, allowing Pinterest to better tailor content to your current tastes. By following these straightforward steps, you'll have a fresh start with a home feed that feels more relevant and enjoyable. Remember, you can always revisit the Home Feed Tuner to add or remove interests as your preferences evolve. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!